We're here with our GROHE Blue Chilled and Sparkling, and our CO2 tank is empty, so we're going to do a quick change out on the CO2 tank. Oh, here on the gauge, there are two dials. This one here is the pressure of the tank itself, so it's reading 0. There's no pressure in the tank, or no real pressure in the tank. The top one is the output pressure going to the chiller, and it's right just under 20 pounds of pressure, not enough to give any carbonation whatsoever. So to change the CO2 tank, it's always best to turn it off. There we go. And then just unthread the coupler nut. And just thread the gauge on to your fresh tank. And make sure it's tightened down so you don't have any leaks. And open it up. Now you can see that we have a full tank of gas, and our output is just under 60 psi. So we're ready to go.